Hello. It's DMV Test Buddy again. Some intersections really test our mettle. Especially when the traffic light is out and we need to quickly navigate the situation. This is one such situation where we encountered a streetcar and another car at a similar intersection. Let's try to see how quickly you can solve this problem. So, look carefully at the screen. You intend to continue moving straight ahead. What should you do when the traffic light flashes yellow? A. Yield only to the tram. B. Yield only to the car. C. Yield to both the tram and the car. D. Have priority over everyone at the intersection. I give you 10 seconds to answer this question. So, let's figure it out. The image for the task shows a car that has approached an intersection that intersects with tram tracks. We see a flashing yellow traffic light, from which we can conclude that the intersection in front of us is unregulated. So, we are guided by road signs. In front of us is a priority road sign. Thus, the vehicles that are on the main road have an advantage. Among themselves, they use the right-hand rule. Whoever has an obstacle on the right, gives way. Accordingly, we must give way only to the driver of a passenger car. The correct answer is B. So, admit it, who of you answered quickly and correctly? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.